Hey everybody, my name is Caroline, also known as Mimi. If you haven't already liked, comment, and subscribed, definitely do that now. I promise I won't let you down. So today in this video, I'm going to be talking about how I retwist my locks. I am not a professional, so I am just doing it myself and off of the tips and things that I've learned actually off of YouTube and watching, also seeing how my stylist does it as well. I did start my locks myself, and I definitely learned a lot from my stylist as well. I don't go to her all the time, so this is one of the times that I did it myself. So I did do it kind of the finger coiling way. I kind of twisted it around my finger, and I also did the palm roll method as well. So if you want to continue watching this video and see how I got my retwist, then keep on watching. So I just finished washing my hair. As you can see, this is what my hair is looking like. I just finished washing it. I haven't retwisted my hair for 8 weeks. So it's time for me to retwist my hair. So I have a couple things that I'm going to be using to retwist my hair. Of course, I got my spray bottle, which I probably don't need it. I probably need it towards the end because my hair is pretty damp right now. Also, I have some oils that I want to put in my hair to moisturize my hair. And then I also have some gel. This is the gel that I'm going to be using to retwist my hair. It is the Canva Shea Butter Flaxseed and Olive Oil. That's the one I'm going to be using since I ran out of my other gel that I use. But I've used this one before, as you can see. I probably used it twice, and it's not that bad. Can't complain. There's not any alcohol in there, doesn't flake, and it doesn't leave my hair itchy. But mind you, I don't have an itchy scalp anyway, so if you do have an itchy scalp, it does say it doesn't itch, so I hope it doesn't itch for you. So here I am currently pulling my hair up at the top, and I am separating my hair, working my way from the back towards the front. twisted my hair in so long. I'm exhausted. It's already, I just checked, it's 44 minutes and I ain't even halfway. I ain't even halfway. But we gonna keep going, go. We gonna keep going, though. 54 minutes. So here is a close-up on how my locks are looking after almost being 9 months. This is what my retwist is looking like. I'm just super excited about the whole journey right now because I remember when I first started my locks, I was just waiting to finally get to like 9 months, 6 months, and time is just flying now. It's crazy. And I just want to say, like, just have a little patience. Time is going to fly. Your hair is going to grow. And, just enjoy every stage of your journey. I'm getting to the point where my hair is finally, touching here, touching my neck. And I'm just like, oh my God, I swear my locks was just here the other day. So I'm super excited about that. Um, so I just want to say also a quick little message to my subscribers. I actually just met 100 subscribers and I am just so happy and so ecstatic. I remember when I only had like 20 subscribers and I thought getting to 100 would just be, so long from now. And after coming back on YouTube and doing YouTube for a month, I finally hit my 100 subscribers. So I'm super grateful and thankful to you guys for continuing to show support and, just sending me love. I appreciate everything and thank you so much for you guys watching my videos. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of content that you're wanting to see from me. If you have any questions for me, definitely leave those down below. And I just want to say thank you and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.